Just in, more local news. Jim O'Brien from Somerset sees top St. Anne's and...
Over Thanksgiving, the purpose of this kid was to sell Obamacare to family. This kid was to inspire other young people, millennials and others, over Thanksgiving to talk their families into Obamacare. That was the point. And they're going to do it again this Thanksgiving. That was an Obama idea, but I will guarantee you that this Thanksgiving it's going to be impeachment. And we're going to see stories as we get closer to Thanksgiving about how Thanksgiving is so uncomfortable because politics discusses at the family table and nobody wants politics. And it's going to be the left that's going to do it. And they're going to be sending out flyers and they're going to be tweeting a bunch of instruction manuals for kids to start talking to their parents and families, pushing and promoting impeachment over Thanksgiving. Now, you better be armed when this happens. There's no better time to understand and appreciate the Constitution because therein lies beating this back. Hillsdale College has long held the belief that if more Americans understood and appreciated the Constitution, we wouldn't have nearly half the problems we have today. And I believe them. I think they're exactly right. If the Constitution were as understood